Hello everyone and welcome. A few weeks back, some of my viewers started asking me to do reviews on some cordless battery-operated tire inflators. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you know that I don't look for the ordinary. I always try to find products to review that are different and out of the ordinary. So I looked around and I came across this very compact and lightweight cordless tire inflator compressor. I was impressed by how small this device is and what it can do when comparing it to other tire inflator compressors on the market that are twice the size. So today we're going to take a look at the smallest tire inflator that I could find. Will it be as good as the big, bulky, battery-powered tire inflators? Let's find out. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Here's a shot of the box for you. And let's take a look at this puppy and see what I got. Alright guys, when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is VI 4000 milliamp tire inflator air kit 2, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $49.99. What you get in the kit is you get the owner's manual that tells you everything about the unit, how to maintain it, how to take care of it, all that kind of good stuff. You get the unit itself. You get all sorts of adapters to inflate anything you want. You get a long air hose to be able to make that happen. You get a USB-C charger, and you get a nice plush bag to keep it in so it doesn't get scratched up and beat up, because this has a very nice finish to it. Now this unit is very lightweight and compact. As you can see, it is only 4 inches in length, 3 inches in width, and 1.3 inches in height. The hose is 10.25 inches long, so 10.25 inches long. And the unit only weighs 1 pound. That tells you how lightweight this really is. Now this unit is powered by a 4000 milliamp rechargeable battery. And the USB-C makes quick charge up, taking care of that anytime you want. You charge it up really quick anytime you need to. Now it has a nice digital LED display that I'll show you in a moment, and that's accurate to within 2 psi. The digital display, you can select pretty much any measuring unit that you want. You have a selection of whether to use psi, bar, kPa, or kilograms per centimeters. And the maximum pressure that this guy can put out is 120 psi. It has auto pressure reading, so basically when you hook it up to something, a tire, a ball, whatever it is, it'll tell you what the pressure is before you start inflating. That way you don't need anything separate to be able to know what pressure you're at. It also has auto pressure shutoff, so if you set it to a certain pressure, it will inflate up to that point and then turn itself off. It has a built-in emergency light, which again I'll show you in a moment, and that is 80 lumens, and the runtime on that light is 7 hours. It has 3 modes to it. You have regular light, SOS, or strobe. So this can be used for inflating just about anything you want, whether it's automotive tires, motorcycle tires, bicycles, balls, hand truck tires, wheelbarrow, air mattress, flotation devices, pretty much anything you want. It is a nice, compact, battery-operated, lightweight compressor. So let's put this puppy to the test and see exactly how well it performs. Alright guys, let me give you a closer look of this unit right here so you can see what it looks like up close. And as you can see, it has a super shiny, super reflective mirror finish on the front. It is like a jewel. It is very, very attractive. And you can see right there in the upper corner where you have the display, the LED display, where it tells you exactly what you're inflating at. And, you know, right now it's set to PSI. And it's set to tire automotive inflator, and it turns off after a little while. And it also has a battery charge indicator right there where it tells you exactly how charged up the battery is. And like I said, if you don't use it, it turns itself off. But all you have to do is press the button, hold it down for a few seconds, and it turns itself back on. And as you saw on there at the startup, it shows you that you can select different things to use it for, whether it's automotive or bicycle, motorcycle, any other kind of thing you want to inflate. It already has presets already set up for that kind of good stuff. So right there is pretty much all the buttons you have. 5 buttons, turn it on and off. The settings over here, plus or minus, and the light. And the light, if you want to see to turn that on, you press that button, and the light is right up here at the top. There's a USB charger, and there is your connector for the hose right there. So it's all pretty much self-contained. And there's all the specs for it on the back if you want to see all the details about it. But right now what we're going to do is, after we finish this, I'm going to go check and see how it inflates an automotive tire. Alright guys, so let's do some testing of inflating an automotive tire, because of all the things that this can inflate, an automotive tire is going to be the most challenging because automotive tires have the greatest amount of pressure. So whether automotive, motorcycle, those are going to be generally the highest pressure things to inflate. Balls and hand trucks and bicycles and stuff are going to be really lightweight. So right now, as you see, I just plugged it in and turned it on, and it's telling me that this tire has 36 PSI. That's the auto readout right there, where it tells you exactly what the tire has in it. Now, I'm going to increase this to go up to 38. You obviously can go much higher, but I'm only going to go 38, and then we should see if it'll turn itself off. So let's see what it does. And there you go. You see how well that performed. When it got to 38, it shut off automatically. And the good thing about this, as you see, it doesn't vibrate a lot. It just moves a little tiny bit when you let it go by itself. And it doesn't make a whole lot of racket. It is not very noisy. You heard exactly how it sounds. I did not change the volume at all. So it is not very noisy, very lightweight, very compact. The cool thing about this is that you can pick this up and keep on going to all your other tires without having to worry about cables or anything else to hassle with it. And then that way you can move on to other vehicles. If you have multiple vehicles you need to inflate the tires on, then you just go from one to the other and keep on going without having to worry about any cables or anything to tie you down. So it's a really cool little device. Alright then, there you have it. You guys asked me for a review of some portable and compact tire inflators, and this is the first of many to come. There you have it, a review and demonstration of the THEI 4000 mAh Air Kit 2, a battery-operated portable air compressor. I think this is a really good unit. It's portable, cordless, compact, and lightweight. This little unit right here is great for keeping it around the house or even in your car. This is so small that you can keep it in the trunk of your car or even in your glove box. Use it for emergencies like a flat tire, or great to use around the house for topping off your vehicle tires, motorcycle tires, or balls and flotation devices for the kids. Check out their Amazon page for full details, and if you want to see more tire inflator reviews in the future, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified on the next tire inflator review video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.